Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wall hanging decor piece. First, you'll need some cardboard. Then, I have a string of beads to hang these together. It's about 12 beads, but you can use as many as you want depending on how long or short you want. And then I have cut up some of the strings of beads for these. I have some fabric flowers for decor. For the sizing, for the bigger one, I have a quarter plate, which is about the same size. And for the smaller one, you could make a circle, and for that I have a round piece of paper, but instead for the smaller one I'm gonna be making a heart. And to wrap the cardboard in, you'll need some yarn. So I'm gonna be using red and black. Let's get started. I'll be right back after I cut out the shapes in cardboard. And remember, the bigger one's gonna be a circle, but the smaller one's gonna be a heart. And while cutting, I would suggest parental supervision and be safe. Alright, I'm back with the shapes. And as you can see, I cut a circle inside the circle and a heart inside the heart. The first step will be to tie a knot around the back of the shape. So I'm just gonna go under like that and make sure it's tight, and I'll do a double knot. So make one more. Like that. And I'll just pull it through. And then I'm going to cut off the extra. Okay, so I've cut off the extra, and now we can start making it. So, what you're going to do is you're going to wind it around the circle next to the other piece of yarn. So you're going to keep doing that so you don't see any gaps in between. So, just keep winding it around like that. And pull it through. And wind it back around. And do it right next to the other one. And make sure it's tight. Okay, so I'm almost done. But I think I need a little bit more yarn. So I have some more yarn. And I'm going to attach it by double knotting both the strings together. Okay, now you can cut off the excess string. And then you can continue from there. Now I've finished the black circle. So now we're going to make the hook. To do this, we will need some yarn. Fold it in half, like this, and take the back and put it over the back like this. And then flip it over and make a knot here on the back side. So just pull it in and make the knot on the back side. And then do a double knot. So make the same knot again. So you want to pull it around and make the knot. I have to tighten it. So, okay. Cut off the excess string. Now that we're done with the black circle, I'm going to start on the red heart. So I'm just gonna get my yarn and make a knot at the tip of it. Okay. Now we're just going to do the same thing all the way around. Now I'm going to start decorating the black circle. I'm going to start with the red flower and I'm going to hot glue it right there, like that. And then I'm going to take another flower and put it right here, there, like that. Now, I'm going to take some beads and put 3 on each side. So, like that. And then I'm going to put 2 more around it. And I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Now let's decorate the heart. We'll start by gluing the flower onto this part. Okay. Now we're going to do the group of 3 again. So, but this time we're going to do 3, 3, and 3. I'm done with the heart. Now let's connect the circle and the heart using this piece of string. And there, we're done. Hope you like this wall decor. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.